Hello everyone, I'm Su Jong Hao. Welcome to Solmax Sessions. Thanks for coming to my third video of the Solmax session. So today I'm not going to talk about something too serious, too technical. So maybe let us have a look at a part of my job as an engineer for a geosynthetics company. How does it look like and what do we do? So for the past 10 years of my experience in geosynthetics manufacture, I've always been in the technical role from doing technical support, doing some designs using geosynthetics materials, until also to giving presentations to consultants, to engineers, sometimes to authorities as well as also to attend some conferences and also trade shows. So besides that, we also often carry out small seminars with engineering firms, or sometimes we call them lunch and learn sessions, where we do it during their lunchtime on a very specific technical or product related topics. So my recent trip to Australia, we met up with some engineers and we talk about how jaw membrane could help reduce leaks. So for example, with a jaw membrane with a conductive backing. So although geosynthetics industry is a very or relatively specialized market, there are vast varieties of materials that we can use and they are beneficial for the environment. So especially nowadays, I think where the environmental issue have been given so much of attention, so using geosynthetics might help to improve the environmental issues. And my work, a lot of opportunities are actually given during this sort of visits where I'm able to meet with engineers to discuss with real problems, understanding how geosynthetics are actually applied on site and be beneficial. So apart from organizing seminars, attending conference is also very common in my job. So interactions with the industry of different disciplines or even with other industries, I think it's important to actually gain more knowledge. I've recently attended a geosynthetic conference organized by the Australasia chapter of IGS in June, where we have actually put up a few papers for the conference, as well as setting up a booth for the event. So I think one of the perks of being able to attend a conference is that you get to listen to different topics and developments from academic researchers or from other industry players. So I have the honor to actually present in this conference on a topic of using geosynthetics materials, for example, a high temperature resistant membrane with other materials as well, on a peak thermal energy storage systems, which actually stores excess energy for later use. I think this is another example or good example of a material usage where energies are actually stored in a sustainable way for other usage later. So this slides here actually shows a project, a completed project photo where we use such systems in combinations with solar energy to ensure better heat distributions during winter time for a small town in Tibet. So in conferences or trade shows, I think it is also a good place to actually showcase recent technologies that a company developed. So in the recent GeoNZ conference, we did a small demonstration of our latest spark testers on conductive geomembrane. And I think having a physical interactions like that in a conference could bring so much differences from a virtual one. So, and after a long day, we reward ourselves with a nice dinner with colleagues and also with clients. So this is all for my short video today. So hope it gives you a sneak peek into a part of my role as an engineer in geosynthetics field. And I think it might be relevant to other fields as well, besides the usual office work that I do. So until next time, see you.